What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop. I want to show you some of the coolest bikes that I'm most excited about. Out of all these bikes, I mean, you know, bikes are like my bikes are like my kids. I love them all, but well, that's a bad analogy. We just got this Road King in, and I am pumped. I'm gonna take it for a spin. It's such a good looking bike. It's an 09 King. Love the white walls. It's a clean looking bike. But over here's, you guys of course know my FC07. Here's the R9T. I wish this had a little bit more miles on it. We actually just sold it. I wish it had more like 2,000 miles on it, because I could put another 100 miles on it and no one would notice. But it's got 990 some miles, and if I ride it too much, people are gonna, you know, I always hate going over those big numbers. Like that 883 Iron back there with 89 miles. I don't want to go over 100 because I feel like it sounds better when it has 89 miles on it. We're doing some changes up here with the photo booth. I had my my sister come in, who is a photographer, help us set it up, tune the cameras a little bit better. Hopefully we're improving with that. Let's go see what the guys are doing. Hey Ben. Oh, I got a great idea. Hey Ben, hey Sean. What's the Ben look like with glasses? And that's what he looks like with a big beard.
Draw glasses and a beard on that.
Yeah, I did. It was epic.
Solid.
I don't know if you noticed, but I just drew glasses and a beard on you.
I figured that maybe you were doing that.
I wanted to see what you look like with glasses and a beard.
I always wondered what I looked like. Hang on. I always wondered what I looked like with glasses and a beard. Maybe you can tell me. What do I look like with glasses and a beard?
Oh!
You look exactly the same as
guy.
you. Does the same thing?
That's the same guy as
that guy.
This little tiny man.
It's like that. And then I take him off and I'm like Clark Kent. Like
Yep.
into the phone booth.
It's the same guy. And then let's see what Lindsay looks like with a mustache.
That's funny. I get it because Lindsay has more hair than I do.
Right. Okay, what you working on?
Got so many people buying bikes right now.
Mad. Would you describe that as mad people buying bikes?
Mad people buying bikes right now.
Wow.
Yeah, if you like put my computer screen on the camera right now, like you would just see mayhem of bikes being sold.
It's epic. What's it like being a firefighter? He recently lost his job from doing too much drugs.
This is my very lazy LL Bean sweater with my LL Bean boots.
Wow.
I'm very beamed out right now.
Very.
They made
With the Carhartt.
with the Carhartt.
It's not easy.
This says like
It's not easy being a contractor.
This is like while I'm in the woods though, maybe I'll chop down a few trees like my steel chainsaw or something like that, you know? Because of the Carhartt, it gives you this like false hope that I like buy stuff from Tractor Supply,
Yeah.
which I think they sell Husqvarna.
Caleb's defending his choice of Carhartt right now.
Yes.
Caleb's like, yo, I'm milking mad cows, so I'm gonna grab myself a Carhartt hat.
Where do you get the milk?
I'm gonna rock a Carhartt hat and some sweatpants, and I'm gonna act like I work hard.
Caleb's that person that is constantly answering the question, "Who are you wearing today?" He's like, "Well, today I'm wearing the
What's the movie where they're the fashion, the blue steel?
Zoolander."
Yeah, Zoolander.
Oh shoot.
It's like I asked Caleb like how he's doing, and he's like, "Today I'm wearing the Carhartt beanie. I'm wearing the LL Bean
Bean boots. Where are my bean boots?
bean boots." And to the next most important person at the shop, the motorcycle.
Okay, I see how it
The
is.
track bike. How are you doing today? Lindsay, what you working on?
I'm editing a video about you and Ben talking about Harley Davidson.
Is it really about me and Ben?
It is you and Ben talking about Harley
It is me and
Davidson.
Ben, okay.
Yeah.
Ow. Sounds like we're together.
Yeah, we're not? Yeah, how'd you get my knife?
I don't have a knife, Caleb. There's your knife. Isn't
you-
that the
did you
knife
step
that's
on that
supposed
kid,
to be
Ben?
on Murder Drone?
Did you step on that boy? Don't step on that boy.
What boy?
The boy back there.
Oh, the little baby.
So we're going on video?
Yes.
When's this video going to be uploaded?
As soon as you stop talking to me and I can finish it.
Yeah, no, the question was not.
I don't know, Sean, when is this video going to be uploaded?
That's
Today?
what I'm asking you. When's it
Today at 4 o'clock.
It'll be uploaded today.
At 4 o'clock.
As soon as we get it out, it's going to get uploaded.
Mm-hmm. Today at 4 o'clock. Eastern time.
When's it going to be done editing?
As soon as I'm done editing it.
Wow.
Real sassy.
In 18 minutes.
18 minutes?
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Lindsay did a great job cleaning up the kitchen.
I did order that business card, so.
But that's great. I know we talked about it, but then I didn't know it had been followed through with, so.
Yeah, and well, I think kind of kicked it into high gear. Like we had talked about doing it a while ago, and then
Yeah.
when you were like, yo,
Sometimes we have babies at Srkcycles.
right. So we're not relying on some weird system
What
that
up,
doesn't
buddy?
exist.
Right. Sounds good.
What up, buddy?
So chill. Is he really chill, like in general?
He is. Sometimes he's a little chiller than others.
Okay.
Now, but.
Is he like out of his element, or like what like makes him?
I think he's actually pretty watchful. So like at home, he's smiling and laughing and crawling everywhere. And then as soon as he's out and about, he's
Taking it
looking
in.
to but sometimes it's looking off. Like it doesn't look very intelligent. Oh, it cracks me up because he's just kind of
He's a baby too. Like, he's
He
not
is.
big.
it's pretty cool though.
This is the boss.
Yes. Hi, Sean.
This is the boss man with her cool office.
My office, right?
Taylor, what do you do here?
I officially do bookkeeping. Whatever that means.
That's pretty cool.
It is.
And then while you're here, we watch your kids for you.
Yes. Yeah, it is. So I just come here for the free babysitting, really.
And donuts.
And donuts and food. It's a good place to work.
How long you been here?
Since July. So, what's that, 7 months? 8 months?
And you're leaving us because you hate us?
No.
She's actually leaving us because she loves her family. If anything's gonna suffer, it's gotta be working with us. Because family's more important.
True.
Oh, baby's running away.